Good afternoon. Yeah, back in van. Just been to Screwfix, get me wire. My head's in bits. I don't know what to do. Right, anyway, yeah, listen. Before we start, there's a bloke on YouTube called TTX Ella, all one word. God, what a funny guy. Oh, he's absolutely brilliant. But he has a Talbot. Not sure if it's an Highlander, to be honest. Can't remember. Anyway, he's going in with back door anyway. He's really good at explaining things, you know, things that go wrong. He had a problem with his Carver water heater. He puts a link up to where you can get them refurbished. Water leaks. But it is funny as weird, you know what I mean? Plus he takes you to different sites, explains everything. Yeah, so, yeah, I'm going to put link somewhere on here. And I'll also put it at the end of this episode, if you want to call it that. Don't need a shave. Yeah, yeah, just painted bath. Bath. Yeah, I'm going to have a bath in my motorhome. Yeah, there, I don't know if you can see it or not. Where are we? Can you see it? Yeah, it needs another coat. Anyway, yeah, so... Yeah, right then, people. Just want to mention that TTXLer. He's really funny. He's really good. You want to see? I'm not sure, you know, if I've seen some something on forums. But I did look last night and I couldn't find out. But yeah, right, TTXLer. I'll check him out. Well, I think the most scariest part of doing any works in a motor and whatever is cutting into bodywork. If you say you're not worried about it, you're a liar. Because I tell you what, it's no phases me. But this, I hate you. Right, it's for the electrical cup. Luckily, I've got them two holes, haven't I? Where fire vents were going out. So I'm going to just cut using one of them. Just making sure it's all in line. Yeah, and it's good, obviously going to be in this here cupboard. So yeah, this bad boy. Yeah, scary. Right, I'm going to have a do. I'm going to be putting it there, where that, like I said, there's two vents in there. I'm going to be putting it there. If you notice on this, there's like a gasket, spongy rubber seal thing. Obviously I'm going to have to, I can't just cut out the shape of the actual, well, that, you know, the round bit, because I need to get some framework in for when you screw it up. It's got a grip to summit on it, so I'm going to put some framing as well. So after all that work that we've done, I'm going to be cutting it out. God, I'm not looking forward to this. Right, like I say, I'm going to try and make a template of this. You know, I don't want to be cutting out more than what I need. So, yeah, like I say, I'll cut that out. I'll let you know how I get on. One template. If you're wondering why I put bottom and wires, you know, coming out to the bottom, I'm not being stupid, it's just that end's round, that's half a 50p. You see the shape? So obviously it wants to go up like that. Right, the dreaded do now, mark it up, cut it out with me multi-tool. I know I've already mentioned this, best tool you could buy. Thank you. Right, here we go. back any favours. Can't believe that paste from paper's still wet. There we go. Basically do now, get rid of all the polystyrene, put the template in, which I'll show you anyway. Right, I'm gonna get this out. Well, there it is. I've also wired up that. All fingers and thumbs of me. Found it hard work, but anyway, it's done. The grandson's invited himself, so I'm going to pack in. I'm gonna have a fight with him. Right, so see you later, people.